Hey guys, Adam here with Scavengers Beer and Adventure Tours. If you're anything like me, you're getting really tired of being at home. I'm not used to making videos, but I gotta fill the time somehow. So I'm here thinking about getting away, thinking about my travels down to Mexico last year, and it kind of inspired me to share this recipe with you guys. So I'm gonna share one of my favorite cocktail recipes from Oaxaca that I had. And it's going to be a variation of it. It's not going to be exactly like the one I had in Oaxaca. I think the one in Oaxaca had some crickets or something crazy on there. I don't have those. So it's a slight variation, but I hope you enjoy it. Usually start with a bit of Blanco tequila. We'll use like an ounce of that. This is Altos. It's one of my favorite sort of inexpensive but good for a margarita tequilas. So we'll use an ounce of Altos. This is what really gives it a lot of cool flavor. This is a passion fruit liqueur. Tastes just like fresh passion fruit. Haven't seen this for sale at many places. This is called Chinola, and I've seen it at Old Town Liquor in San Diego. So if you really want if you really like passion fruit, you will absolutely love this stuff. It's about $23, worth every cent. I use half an ounce of that. And this is Ghost Pepper Tequila. If you don't have serranos or jalapenos at home and you want to make a spicy margarita, this is the way to go. I use about a half an ounce. This is relatively inexpensive, and actually it's a really great tequila to just sip if you like spicy tequila. And then this is the mezcal I use, El Silencio. Just adds a bit of smokiness, a bit of more flavor to the drink, and so we'll use a half an ounce of that as well. I make a grapefruit simple syrup, so it's basically just grapefruit and a little bit of hot water. You blend that together, about a quarter of an ounce of that. And then really just about a tablespoon of avocado. And what you want to do is just blend that. I got a little hand blender here. Blend that up for about 15 or 20 seconds. If you're really picky, you might want to filter out. There might be like a couple little avocado floaties in there, but no big deal. Then I like to get the glass ready. Put a little lemon on, rub a little lemon on, and then add a little chili to the rim here. And we'll add a little ice. About a half a cup of ice. And then blend that really well. Chuck all that in. And then you can chop a little lemon wedge, cut halfway through. Slide that on. And that's the spicy Oaxacan avocado margarita. Cheers, guys.